Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, by the title and the thumbnail, so a lot of you guys have requested for a simple Rakhi makeup tutorial and I thought of doing that for you guys. So yes, I am going to share some of the makeup which I really love, and these are also the makeup products that you will love for sure. So if you want to tell your brother that what you want, you can share this video with them and let them know that you want this. I will mention the links in my description box so that it's easy for your brother to buy it. So I am really excited for this video, and my brother always likes my makeup. Of course, he always supports me. I really enjoy doing this, and he actually loves my videos. He actually has some problem with my editing skills, but still he loves it and he always appreciates. So this video is dedicated to my brother, and advance happy Raksha Bandhan to all the brothers out there. So if you want to buy any of the products, I would definitely recommend all the products I'm using today. And if you want to buy any of this, just let your brother know and share this video with him so that he knows what to get for you. And I will mention the links, as I said before. I will mention it so that it's easy for your brother to buy it, and that's it. So if you want to see how I create a beautiful simple look for Rakhi, then please keep on watching. So for primer today, I am going to use this Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and this is a very good primer for oily to dry skin people, so definitely recommend it. So to illuminate my face today, I am going to use this Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. I am going to apply this all over my face like this and then just blend it with my fingers. See the natural glow it gives. You can use this daily and you can use it above makeup as well. I'm just using this before applying foundation or BB cream, so it just gives me that instant glow. So for my base makeup, I'm going literally very simple. I'm not going for a heavy base. So today I'm going to use this Sugar BB cream. So I'm going to conceal my under eyes. So for that I'm using this Studio DERMA concealer in the shade B64. Now to set my face, I am going to use this LAKME 95 Prime Plus Matte Powder Foundation. For my brows, I am going to use this MILANI Brow Pomade in the shade Brunette 04. And you can use this or you can use the Sigma Brow Powder. I will mention some of the links in my description box below, which I really love, the brow products. Now I'm going to conceal my eyelids with the same concealer. So for my eye makeup today, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors The Brave palette. So first I'm taking this shade on my crease. Now I'm taking this shade on my outer corners of the eye. I'm going to take the same shades on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to mix these two shades and I will apply that on my eyelids. And now going back with the same previous brush, I'm just blending out my crease. Now I'm going to apply a winged eyeliner. Applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And now for contouring and blush, I'm going to use this Sugar Face palette in the shade 01. For highlighter, I'm going to use this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette, and I absolutely love this, and I would highly recommend you guys to buy this, or you can definitely ask this as your gift from your brothers. But I'm going to use this 2 shade today. For lipsticks, I have 3 options for you. So first you can go for this LAKME 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. I have 2 shades, Rose Touch and Blush Velvet. I'm going to swatch this for you guys. This is Blush Velvet. This one, it is a beautiful pinky color. You can definitely go for this, or either you can go for Rose Touch. It is again a beautiful shade, little bit mauvey pink than the Blush Velvet. So the next option is you can either go for this pack mini version. You can definitely ask this as your gift. Definitely it is like lipstick is our friend, so you can definitely go for this mini mattes by pack, and this one costs rupees 1200 something for this 4 shades, so you can definitely go for this as your gift from your brother. I will mention the links in my description box below again. And for the final lipstick, what I'm gonna wear today is by Sugar. This is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Fam. I'm going to go with this PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade 03 from the Nude Mini Collection. Just going to apply this on the center of my lips. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this simple makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like any of the makeup products, do let your brother know. Just send him the link of this tutorial and let him know that I want this. He can definitely buy it from my link. So every girl loves makeup, so I would request any of the boys, if you're watching this video, just give your sister any makeup products. It can be lipstick, it can be kajal, it can be eyeliner, it can be eyeshadow. Just give her that, she will be the happiest. So I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.